Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can delete or close a channel on WhatsApp, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to delete or close a channel on WhatsApp. So first of all, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to web.whatsapp.com, you're going to log your account in by scanning the QR code with your phone. You're going to click onto this channels button here, and once you're here, you're going to click onto this bottom arrow right next to your channel. Click on that, and then you have the button to delete channel. Just click onto that, and here it will tell you that your channel will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to recover the channel. You're going to click delete on here, and then it's going to ask you for your phone number, so you're going to put in your phone number, and then you're going to click delete on here, and that should delete your WhatsApp channel. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.